Oh, D. Yo, what's up? It's your boy Falcon XMK here, and today I'm bringing you a video that's a little different than normal. We're making paper airplanes. What? So, I was in my apartment and I was putting a work hat in the cabinet, and for some reason that box was in there. Easy paper airplanes. Why? I don't know, but it's about to be real. This is my housemate Khalik, and he's about to go in on making a paper airplane. Yo, $10. That was $10 for some paper in a book. Like what? So some people are bamming on my door. I don't know why. I think Walking Dead's about to start soon, and so I got people. And it's probably Marcus as always. Mad Black. Yep, Mad Black. Alright, so we're going back to this video. And he's testing it out. Alright.
Swallow. You know,
The Swallow. Ooh, yeah, Pokemon, you know. Tailo. Whoop. Evolve form.
Evolve form.
Yep.
Hey, yo, easy fly.
This must be real.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm making the Pokemon Swallow. You know, the evolve form.
Like,
of
time
the
to
Tailo.
play that track, homie.
We about to get on the track? Yo,
Oh,
let's get on the
damn.
track.
Yo, how you doing it? Yo, DJ
hold on.
What?
Let's get on the track. We gotta
What?
rap, remember?
Damn, right now?
At
Man.
least gotta hear it.
You gonna put me on the track?
Oh, yeah.
All right.
Damn, we really gotta do